Jonny builds unbreakable things.
Hi everyone, my name is Jonah. I'm working out of my garage here in fabrication shop slash welding shop slash automotive shop, where I'm going to be working on my 1988 TransAm race car, street legal race car for the Super Street Class for the NHRA quarter-mile drag strip. So here I'll kind of introduce you to everything I'm working on, a run around of the car, and you can see what's in store for the future. Okay, what we have here in progress is a 1988 TransAm twin turbo 383 cubic inch fuel injected complete powerhouse.
Oh yeah!
So this car is going to be, or I'm going to try to get it into the Super Class NHRA quarter mile drag circuit. So as you can see, it's pretty well in progress. Lots of work to be done. 10-point roll cage, 4L80E transmission, strange Dana S60 rear end. That will all be seen in the upcoming video footage. But this is the main portion right here, which I'm working on, which is the twin turbo setup, fabrication of all the plumbing with the exhaust, intercooler, radiator, motor, catch cans, reservoirs, and then we're going to be doing quite a bit of fabrication work on the body as well. Frame, water panel is going to be replaced here. My tools, toolbox. There's the LightWELD over here, among other welders. This is my sidekick slash shop dog, Kara. She's going to be out here with me here and there. Obviously I have to limit how much she's out here because she gets into everything, and I don't want to get her introduced to any sparks or straight metal when I'm cutting or fabricating. But when I do have her out here, I like to put on her laser safety goggles to keep her safe, which we like to call laser doggles. So with their laser goggles on, can everyone see those? Oh, there we go. So with their laser goggles on, she's perfectly safe for any laser emission light in here when I'm fabricating or welding. So it keeps her safe, gives me a peace of mind, and she gets to join me out here and keep me company because she's a very needy little dog.